Let me guess, every time you hear the word funnel you jump headfirst and buy whatever you see. And not just funnels. Every time you see the word AI, you get too excited, thinking you will be the next Elon Musk or something. But in the end, you realize that you invested your hard-earned money in a useless app that just creates basic and boring pages and calls it a funnel. And it has nothing to do with AI. I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but every day, that happens to thousands of people who are trying to make money online. You see, whenever you see a guru bragging about his funnel and how much he is making from it, it will not be the same funnel he sells to you. I mean, why would he create unnecessary competition for himself? But what if I told you that I cracked this secret club, once and for all? What if I told you that I finally infiltrated the guru's funnels, and I copied exactly what's working, and ditched anything that even break even? Yes, I only create funnels that make me money like this every day. Just last month, I made a bit over $35,603.45 in pure profit from just one funnel. But to be completely honest with you, it wasn't me who created those funnels. And it wasn't me who generated free traffic to it. Heck, it wasn't even me who found the right product and niche. You know who? AI? Yes, artificial intelligence did all the work for me. And let me tell you this, not only did it save me hundreds of hours, it also eliminated all the guesswork from my end. Now, I don't create a funnel hoping that it would convert. No, my friend. Now, I turn on my AI model and let it infiltrate all the gurus on my niche and see what exactly is working right now and what is making money. And swipe it in my arsenal. Then add its unique touch to it, redesign it, and make it even more powerful. After that, AI will automatically generate free traffic to it on complete autopilot. I don't have to spam social media or pay for traffic. None of that. I just sit back, keep refreshing my account, and watch sales flying in my account. Sounds like a dream, right? It's not. I've been using it for the past 9 months to make money every single month without fail. But not just me. Hundreds of my beta testers are using it every day to make money. And all of those beta testers never made a dime before online. Heck, some of them didn't even know what affiliate marketing is. But since it's so easy to set up, literally all it takes is just 30 seconds, and it requires zero technical skills. All of them have been using it successfully. And today, I want to give you that exact magic AI we created along hundreds of our proven to make money funnels. Hey, my name is Pranchu, and on behalf of my Bizomart team, I'm happy to introduce to you NinjaAi, the world's first AI model that creates profitable AI funnels for us in any niche in less than 30 seconds. And then drive free traffic to it on complete autopilot. Here, let me show you how easy it is to get started with NinjaAi. Step 1. Click on any of the links below to get instant access to NinjaAi for a low one-time fee. Step 2. Choose your niche, and let the AI take care of everything for you. Step 3. Profit. Sit back and relax. And let AI do the rest of the work, while you enjoy the results. That's it. There is no technical setup. There is no learning curve. And zero upfront cost. It doesn't matter if you are just starting out, or you are an experienced marketer. As long as you are aiming to make extra money online, NinjaAi is for you. NinjaAi works for affiliate marketers, CPA marketers, e-com store owners, book publishers, social media marketers, coaches and mentors, and anyone looking to create a passive side income online. By now you might be wondering how much it costs. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I can charge anything I want for it. I mean, it's making us a bit over $30,000 per month. So, as long as I'm charging you less than that, you're still making a profit. The thing is, if I decided to charge you $5,000 or even $1,000 for it, many people who really need it won't be able to afford it. It's a huge commitment to pay thousands of dollars upfront like that. And to be honest, I make enough money from using NinjaAi myself. I don't need to charge you all of that. So for a limited time only, you will get full access to NinjaAi for a small one-time fee, less than the price of a cup of coffee. However, that won't last long. I don't want to overload my servers and end up paying more and more fees. So I will have to limit the number of licenses I can offer. If you still see the buy button below, you're in luck. Go ahead and click on the button to get instant access. And with our 30 days money back guarantee, you have nothing to lose. Pick your copy now. And if for any reason you didn't think NinjaAi was worth every penny, just send us an email, and we will send you a refund instantly. No questions. We don't like to play games. So what you're waiting for? Go ahead and pick up your copy now, and you will unlock bonuses worth over $2,486. What you're waiting for? Click on the button below and I will see you inside.